I'm going to be telling you about Zendesk versus Service CRM platform. Now, starting with Zendesk, Zendesk is a customer service and engagement platform designed to help support teams manage customer inquiries sufficiently across multiple channels like email, chat, social media, phone, etc. Now, what is its strength? The strengths are it has multi-channel support, so it has seamless handlings of tickets from email, chat, voice, social media, and web. It's pretty easy to use, the clean UI and quick setup for teams of all sizes. It's scalable. It has a great marketplace as well, like a large app ecosystem integration. It has automation and AI as well, macros, triggers, and AI power bots, things like that. Now, it's best for businesses that needs a dedicated help desk solution or for companies focused on customer support and ticket management. What about Surface CRM? Now, for Surface CRMs, it combines customer support with broader CRM functionality like sales, marketing, and reporting. Example, there's Salesforce Salesforce Cloud, HubSpot Surface Hub, Soho Desk, and Freshdesk. Now, the strengths are it has 360 degrees customer view, so full context for marketing, sales, and service in all in one place. It has really deep customization. It has highly configurable workflows and reporting. Sales plus Surface integration, great for aligning support with the rest of the business, and also it has automation and AI. It's best for businesses that want integrated support plus CRM tools and companies with complex service processes and multiple departments. I'm going to show you a table here that has a lot of feature from between Zendesk and Service CRM and its comparison. Now, if you want to pick which one, you'll need to choose Zendesk if you primarily need a powerful, easy to use help desk and your team focuses on customer service and doesn't need deep sales marketing integration. Choose the Surface CRM platform if you need a centralized CRM for all departments, you want to online support sales and marketing efforts, and your service workflow are complex or highly customized.